Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to translate selected text on iPhone. So you can either do this on any messaging app or any website that you can have selected text. But for this video I'm going to show you on the Notes app. So I'm just going to open Notes. As you can see, I have already text right here, and I'll just simply double tap on that text to highlight it, and I'll just highlight everything and just tap on the arrow on the menu right here to find the translate option. As you can see, it's now right there. I'll just simply tap on it and this will pop up, and now you can translate it to any text that you want. On default, I think I just set to Japanese, and you can change it just by tapping on the language right there. This will pop up. You could pick anything that you want. You could either go with Russian, Spanish, Polish, French, German. It's up to you. And you could also copy translation, replace with translation, and download languages and stuff. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.